Hey, fellow mathers. Before we get into this episode, have we got some really important information?
Y'all, registration is now open for our Building Powerful Mathematics online workshops. I know you're as excited as we are because this is where the magic happens. The why, when, how, the details, the experience, making real mathing happen in you and your classroom.
Building your numeracy, your mathematics, gaining insight into which models and strategies to use, seeing the teacher moves in action, and more is all jam-packed into these content-rich online workshops that you can take anytime, any day on your schedule. We've got workshops for teachers kindergarten through grade 12. Head on over to mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops to find your best fit. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Registration is only open for a short time, so book your spot before it's too late. Now on to the episode.
I'm sure the episode's going to be great. Hey, fellow mathers. Welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this is a Math Strat Chat episode where we chat about our math strategies. Every week, I throw out a math problem on social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking. We love it when you comment on each other's thinking.
Yeah. So this Wednesday, we threw out the 101st Math Strat Chat episode. And it's actually not the 101st Math Strat Chat problem.
We did those for a while before we started talking about them here.
Okay.
So I guess this is the 101st Math Strat Chat episode of the podcast. Woo!
That is so wild.
Yay!
Amazing. Okay, so this week's problem was 249.1 minus 7.9. We're interested in how you would solve this problem. So go ahead and pause the podcast, give yourself time to think about it, and then come on back. The problem was 249 and 1/10 minus 7 and 9/10.
All right, I'm going to go first this time.
Okay, doke.
So it's 240, oh my heavens, 49.1. I just rewrote the number twice. Subtract 8 is 241.1. No, 242. No. Oh my gosh, 9 minus 8 is 1. 241.1. Kim, I think we've been at this too long today.
It's been a long day.
Okay, 241.1. But I subtracted a bit too much. I subtracted a 1/10 too much. So I got to add a 1/10 back on. And 241 and 1/10 plus another 1/10 is 241.2.
All right.
What do you got?
I like it. I kind of want to ignore the 200. And I know that, whatever. I'm going to focus on just a little bit at a time. So I'm going to think about 49.1 minus 7.9.
Okay.
And I'm going to shift those on a number line kind of mentally up to make it 51.2 minus 10. Shifted up 2.1. And so then I get 51.2 minus 10 is 41.2. Then I got to remember that I was only messing with the smaller amounts and add the 200 back on. So I also got nice. 241.2.
Very nice. Like it. I like it.
Excellent. All right. Well, we can't wait to hear what you do every single week when you join us in Math Strat Chat. Let us know how you think about the problem and comment on each other's strategies.
Y'all, we post the problems every week around Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Time. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag Math Strat Chat. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. Thanks for being part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement and making math more and more figure-outable. Thank you for listening and making math more figure-outable. If you missed it, registration is currently open for our Building Powerful Mathematics workshops.
Registration only opens 3 times a year. In these workshops is where you will find and learn all the things that you need to make math more figure-outable. Find details at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Hey, K-12 educators, we have a workshop for you. Build your numeracy, build your mathematics, learn the teacher moves, equip yourself with the knowledge you need to have students naturally engaged in their learning. No matter what grade level you teach, we have a targeted workshop for you.
And you can find the best workshop for you at mathisfigureoutable.com/workshops.
Let's change the world together and make math more and more figure-outable.